everyone, my name is Emilee McWilliams, and welcome to the course Encoding Data with R. I'm a data scientist in the financial industry, and I've seen a variety of business problems solved through data analysis. At many times in data projects, factor or categorical level data needs cleaning and processing in order to be utilized in analysis. In this course, we will be encoding data based on a dataset of customer purchases and will understand the analysis. Some of the major topics we'll cover include understanding factor-level data, creating frequency analysis from this data, encoding factor-level data for a database, and preparing data for a potential model. By the end of this course, you'll know how to encode factor-level data, prepare it, and find data insights from the analysis. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of R and RStudio. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn R with the Encoding Data with R course at Pluralsight.